In this video, we'll simplify this fraction with aid of a cast diagram. Our first term is cos square theta minus 90 degrees. So cos square theta is the same as saying cos theta squared. And cos square 90 minus theta means cos 90 minus theta squared. And this is also a co-function in the first quadrant, where cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine of theta. So cos square 90 minus theta would reduce to sine theta squared. Next we have tan of 180 degrees minus theta. That places us in the second quadrant, and we know that only sine is positive in the second quadrant. So this ratio would reduce to negative tan of theta. Our third ratio is cos of 180 plus theta, which places us in the third quadrant, and cosine is negative in the third quadrant, so that is equals to negative cos of theta. And in the denominator we have sine of 180 minus theta, which places us in the second quadrant, and sine is positive in the second quadrant, so it reduces to sine of theta. Now I have sine theta squared divided by sine theta. And that's the same as saying sine theta times sine theta divided by sine theta. And we can see that one pair of sines would cancel out. We also have negative tan theta times negative cos theta. And when we multiply two negatives of one another, that will produce a positive value. So when I simplify, I have sine theta times tan theta times cos theta, where one sine theta cancelled out of the denominator, and the second one is still in the numerator, and negative tan theta times negative cos theta gave us tan theta times cos theta. Now I use the identity where tan theta can be written as sine over cos theta. That will help me to cancel out cos thetas. So I'm only left with sine times sine theta, which is the same as saying sine theta squared, and when we write it appropriately, it's sine square theta. And that is our final answer.